Muhammad Shafiqul Islam. He is just feeding the pigeons of United Kingdom, Glasgow, Scotland, Paisley. You can see him just feeding the pigeons. Today is Merry Christmas, 25th of December 2014. And the place is Paisley Abbey, just by the side of the river cart. And the video man is Mr. Abhijit Malik.
I really like this.
You see these pigeons? These are really God gifted. Whoa!
Merry
Sorry for the
Christmas.
disruption. They will come back again and again. They are coming back. They are coming back. Look at them. Just look at them. Fabulous, right? Fabulous.
Interesting.
Yeah, interesting. Now I'm gonna show you a bit of myself. Hi, this is Abhijit.
Seagull gulo niyo. Swana se
See the river cart. This is the river cart of Scotland.
Wow.
Fighting for food. And this is how nature selects its fittest organism. This is called survival of the fittest. You can see the breach there.
They will, come in my hand.
Yes, look at this. Yeah, this pigeon is waiting. Yeah.
You see this one.
Whoa, this is simply awesome, unbelievable.
Come. Hey.
Now.
No.
So, me myself gonna feed them now. Don't know whether they will come back to me. Let's see what happens. Oh God. Oh God.
They will come.
I'm just afraid.
Yeah.
I'm just afraid. Oops. Oh
Really
God.
nice.
This is simply awesome.
Yeah.
I feel so happy. Oops. By thunder thing. Okay, now I'm going back. Actually, you need a bit courageous. You should be courageous to hold the bread in your hand. So, yeah, look at. থাক ধরেন না। Stop. Now I am stopping my video. This is the end.